And Maine is already feeling the effects of climbing COVID case numbers. Hospitals are already dealing with an influx of patients with the virus. And for some schools, it's complicating the last few weeks of the semester. News Center Maine's David Guilford takes a closer look.
Let them know that we're not out of the woods yet in schools.
Mark Hervitt has served as interim superintendent at SU 76 in Down East Maine since March, trying to finish out another COVID-involved school year.
Things have been going very well, and we've got a real good pool testing program. We've got excellent nurses, and we had things very well under control.
The Brooklyn school on Hervitt's Peninsula wasn't even listed last Thursday on the state's list of schools with positive cases.
And then suddenly, over the weekend, cases started to pop up.
In a letter to parents on Monday, Hervitt said 30% of Brooklyn's students and staff were now positive. He moved the rest of the week to remote learning. And Hervitt's not alone. Rumford Elementary principal Jill Bartash canceled Tuesday's classes, writing to parents that 14 staff and 13 students had tested positive, the most ever at the school. Schools must report to the Maine CDC when 15% of students and staff are absent. The CDC then determines if that's due to an outbreak. As of last Thursday, 8 schools statewide had confirmed outbreaks, with just over 1,000 reported cases among all schools. Back in Brooklyn, Hervitt has his eyes on June.
We're trying to get to the finish line. And up until last week, I felt we had a really good, easy path. But now I don't know. We'll have to see how it goes. But we will get to the finish line.
David Guilford, News Center, Maine.
This afternoon, Principal Bartash told parents and staff RES would remain closed on Wednesday. Superintendent Hervitt said later this week he'll reassess if it's safe enough for in-person classes to resume at Brooklyn Elementary next week.